Welcome back to the second lesson of beginning piano. Let's start with a quick review of lesson number 1. If you haven't watched the first video yet, go back and watch that one, and then come back and watch this one. Let's review that first video with a pop quiz. Question 1. What finger number are your thumbs? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Amazing. I'm sure you did amazing. Next up to review is the location of C as a landmark note on the piano. So if we have groups of 3 black keys and 2 black keys, which group is C next to? C is to the left of that group of 2 black keys. Okay, I'm sure you did great on that review. So if you already know a little bit about music, you already know that our musical alphabet is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So once we get to G, we start back again at A, just A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We can also go backwards. So if we're moving down the piano and getting lower, then we need to be saying the alphabet backwards. So we need to go G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. So one of my favorite exercises is to just try saying it forwards, which I'm sure is going to go great. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And then we want to say it backwards, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. And then we just want to try to do it as fast as possible, like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, or G, F, E, D, C, B, A. So challenge yourself, see how fast you can say it backwards and forwards, because the faster that you can say it backwards and forwards, the faster you can play and say those notes. So in the first video, we used that finger pattern worksheet, and now we can take that worksheet and put it on the piano. So if you find 2 C's, put your left hand pinky on a C and your right hand thumb on a C above that. Then we can use that hand position on the finger fluency worksheet. We're going to add in the note names to those finger patterns. So let's start with just the right hand part. If we're playing our thumb and our thumb is on C, then that means we need to say C and then D, E, F, G. So for our left hand, we would be on C, D, E, F, G. And then for both hands, if we're going the other way, we would go G, F, E, D, C. So you can make up your own exercises if you don't have that worksheet. Also, even if you do have the worksheet, you can still make up your own exercise. You just want to make sure that your hands are in the correct position. So match them with this video and make sure that your hand position looks the same. Make sure that you're not on F instead of C until we get to that part where we need to be on F. So it feels a little bit weird to be starting our exercises on C instead of A, since like the alphabet starts on A, but we usually start on C. Like most beginning repertoire will start like with our songs like starting on C or in the key of C. So another thing we can do is use our other landmark note, which is F. So if you remember how to find F, we need to go to that group of 3 black keys and go down to the left, and that's F. So if you move your hand so that your left hand pinky is on an F and your right hand thumb is on an F, then from this position we can say F, G, A, B, C. And that's with both hands moving up, right? Because we're going up the alphabet. So if we move down the alphabet, we go C, B, A, G, F. So once you get super comfortable with both of these hand positions and being able to say those note names while you play them, then I think you're probably ready to move on to our lesson number 3. If you need a reminder of anything from number 1, you can go back and rewatch that. You rewatch this video. Also, still be sure to check out themusictheory.net, and I will still post any of those worksheet resources as well as super helpful other people on the internet that post great music learning content.